We'll guide you through how to make your Facebook private. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and make your Facebook profile private, there are different ways you can go about this, so make sure you watch this full video. To get started, you want to go and press profile in the bottom right like so. Then what we can do is go to the top left and press on the three lines. Go down and you can press on the option settings and privacy, and then you want to go and press settings. Now, you need to go and scroll down and you want to find the option audience and visibility. At the top, you can press profile details. Now, what you can do is start going through here. For example, I've got in places live leads. You want to press the edit icon to the right and you want to set that to only me. This means only you can see it, so therefore it's private, and you can then press save at the bottom. And you can go and repeat that for all these different things. Contact info, we can press the edit button to the right, and we can go and set this to private. Work your way through it and come back and press how can people find and contact you. And then what you can start doing is choose who can send you friend requests. You can make it friends of friends, making it harder for people to add you. You can change who can see your friends list, set it to only me to be most private. And you can then choose how people can go and see and find your account. You can switch off the search engine setting and how you get message requests as well. I set it to don't receive. Then you can go down to posts, and what you can do is go and change who can see your future posts, set that to only me, and you can limit who can see past posts. So press view, then you can press limit past posts and go and press limit. Now we can press stories. What you can do is go and choose who can see your stories. So you could go and set it custom and only choose who can then see it. You can switch off allowing other people to go and share and mention you as well. There's not much you can do with pages, so come into Reels, switch these off, and you can choose who can go and see your Reels. Come into Avatars, and you can go and choose who can share and interact with it. I'll set it to only me. You can then press followers and public content. You can then go through here and choose who can go and follow you. You can choose who can go and see your followers and go and set them to only me. So only me is going to be the best setting you can set if you want to go and make your account private, or it may just be friends. We can then press profile and tagging, choose who can go and post on your profile. You can set that to only me, which is the most private. Who can see what others post on your profile, set that to only me. And you can switch off this share. You can set these others to only me and switch these others off as well. And then at the bottom, you can go and choose your active status. You can switch it off so others won't know when you're active. I hope you found this useful.